Hey everyone, in this video we're going to take an in-depth look at the Cox Homelife Smart LED Light Bulb User Manual. Introduction. With the Smart LED Light Bulb from Homelife, you can easily switch out old bulbs for new efficient, dimmable LED bulbs with a life expectancy of up to 22 years. Plus, you can control your lights remotely using the Cox Homelife mobile app or online subscriber portal and set up rules that automate when they turn on or off. Follow these steps to install and pair your new smart bulb with the Homelife system. Installation and pairing instructions. Install smart bulb. Pair smart bulb with touchscreen. Configure smart bulb. Congratulations, the installation and pairing process is now complete. Troubleshootings. Warnings. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.